Hello guys, welcome back. Today is March 7. Should be a Friday recap, but we're doing it on Saturday just because I had a lot going on yesterday. Um, I needed to step away from the charts and kind of regroup my thoughts and come back at this on a with a clearer mind. But yeah, looking at what happened on NQ on Friday, NFP, the last day of the week. Starting off on the daily, um, we did get that bearishness that we wanted, so again, we had consolidation. I mean, consolidation within the overall consolidation, and then we had a rally up into this FVG slash order block, and then from there we started moving lower, and then I called for lower prices after that, and we ended up getting that, and yeah, I have this because this is just a short I'm taking on paper. I'm just messing around with paper, just trying to um, just trying to test out different strategies and whatnot. But I actually have no idea how to open up my trading portfolio here for paper trading. Um, Products. It's not. Is it portfolio? Hold on. Products portfolio. No. Oh, well, okay. Well, there we go. And yeah, this is that short that I'm taking. Um, just targeting this low. I wanted to take it a little bit higher up here, but I couldn't get that. So I ended up entering down here. But yeah, that's just a paper one that I'm just holding, testing out. Continuing on with that, essentially the idea here um, is we had a 4 hour equal high or 1 hour equal highs, and then we swept them, and then within that sweep we had one leg higher, failing to go any higher, and then SMT over here, and then you have change in state of delivery right down here. So essentially, you could have taken that short with the stop up here. That's basically my model, but on a much more higher time frame scale. And I did even take within this, I did take some longs as a retracement higher. You can see that right there. That's probably clear on MNQ. Um, or not, it is not. But yeah, essentially that was also a sweep of um, 1 hour low within bullish FVG, and then change in state of delivery. I decided to enter. There was also an SMT, and I just targeted the high up here, in and out, not too bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want to make a outlook for the next week. I'll do that on Sunday, depending on what happens with the conflicts in Middle East and where we open and all the advancements. So we'll wait till Sunday for that. Looking at the dollar itself, again still consolidated, took out these two highs and then started moving lower. Not much there, again we have this consolidation, sweep of high, move back lower. But yeah, that's pretty much that for the dollar. And then looking at ZB, ZB was bearish until it got to here, which we were watching out for the bullish order block and the FVG, and then from there we found support and started moving higher, which also aligned with some of that bullish NQ that we got. Yeah, and again, I'll have an outlook for the week, hopefully Sunday night, around market open. But yeah, I hope you found it insightful. Enjoy your weekend. Please take care and be safe.